Hi everyone, let me share a review of these matte laminating sheets. First, look at the packaging. It comes in the simple, well-packed box, and inside you get 30 laminating pouches. I think these are great for planners, classroom materials, or any printable that you want to protect and reuse. The size is 9 by 11.5 inches, which is perfect for standard letter size sheets. The lamination process is very easy. I just place a sheet inside, write it through the laminator, and it sealed smoothly without any bubbles. I use this kind of sheets a lot for organizing my workouts, also my kids' daily routine, and keeping them reusable. The final result looks really clean and professional. The matte finish reduces glare, so it's very easy to read even under light. And compared to the glossy laminating sheets, matte doesn't reflect as much light, and for me it's much better for anything you need to read or write on. Overall, I'm happy with that product and can easily recommend it.